Believe me, solving this indicial equation on the board can be as easy as ABC. Watch. The first thing we have to do, of course, if you observe here, we can write this x raised to power 4 as x raised to power 2 or raised to power 2 according to product power law in indices. Then equals, we can also represent 25 in index form as 5 to the power of 2. Now, if we bring in 5 to the power of 2 to this side of the equation, we're going to have it that x squared raised to the power 2 minus 5 squared equals 0. Okay, we'll solve for that. Now, if we solve for that here, applying the concept of difference of two squares, we're going to have it that x, or open two bracket as usual, plus in one, then minus in the other one. So x squared, we're going to insert it here. Then we have to also insert x squared here since they are squared. Then 5 here, all equals 0. If the product of two numbers is equals to 0, as you can see, this bracket is multiplying this bracket and the result is 0. So if product of two numbers is equals to 0, that definitely means that either this x squared plus 5 is equals to 0 or x squared minus 5 is equals to 0. So if we solve for that, x squared here is equals, transferring positive 5 to the other side of the equation becomes negative 5. Or here x squared is equals positive 5 if we transfer 5 to the other side of the equation. So finding the final value of x here, we have to find the square root of both sides of the equation. And when we solve for the square root, we're going to have that x is equals to square root, of course, square root plus or minus negative 5. Or the same here, x equals square root plus or minus 5. So in return, the first one, which is square root of negative 5, is always an imaginary. So of course you know that square root of negative number is an imaginary. So we have that x here is equals to plus or minus square root of 5i, which indicate the imaginary, or x equals plus or minus square root of 5, and that becomes our result. Bye bye.